So it is the first time that I'm going to be flying my new drone. I got one of these, and it's really cold outside. It is approximately 28 degrees. The car says 28 degrees right now. So that's what we're gonna be flying in. Good thing is we're in a pretty open spot here. I think we'll be able to sit in the car for at least most of it. I don't know if you can see the person behind me that's like, I don't know if they're waiting on somebody that's in the porta potty then. We're gonna go drop the drone outside and see what happens. Should be able to put this on. I left the camera cover on the drone. Okay, now we're good to fly. Now we should be good. I just went to go look out the window at it, and it didn't work. All right, we are off the ground. How's it going? Anybody else around here? I know there was some kids over there sledding, but I don't know if we want to go and bother them. It's, I think, a little bit windier than I was hoping it was going to be. There's somebody walking. We'll just keep going. You don't have to bug them. Alright, so we're still in normal right now because honestly, manual still makes me just insanely scared. Especially with people around. First I thought that was the drone, but that was the fans. It was the fans and the headset kicking in. Okay, so this headset's still not the most comfortable. Still not the most comfortable. See, this is where I'd feel better flying it in manual mode, somewhere around here where it's not even I just love how how good the video quality still is from this far away to the headset. It's pretty crazy. High wind velocity. Yeah, I can kind of feel it. That's also making me a little bit nervous. Like, it's one thing to just fly this in manual when I'm not used to it, but like, oh, also just go to manual. There's sport mode. Sport mode's so much faster already. because I can hear it out the car. Just screaming around. Okay. Well, I gotta get used to it at some point, right? So let's just go manual, I guess. Not liking this already with how windy it is. It's really windy. Focus on like trying to stay steady. Where I can focus on a nice like clean turn. Staying above the ground. Not crashing. That's the goal. That is the goal. That is the goal. Okay, this is feeling better. Alright, alright. I'm here. We're orbiting this tree. Oop, that was close. Close. The thing is I'm keeping it in the air, which is definitely a goal of mine right now. Keeping it in the air, for the most part, I am keeping control of it. Hey, as far as I know, we're still in 4K 60 and the SD card is working like a charm. Battery level low? It says 40%. do you mean battery level low? All right, we're getting a little more comfortable. Woo, that was close. Ooh, that was also close. Almost hit the ground. Also almost close. Oh yeah. This feels, not gonna lie, feels so much better than the simulators. Like, again, even though there's wind out here, like, messing with me, again, I don't know if it's just the simulators just don't feel as good. I don't know if they're just not as, like, physics, real life feeling, but, like, and I know that I'm not doing anything crazy, but, like, this just feels so much more, I don't know if it's realistic, but, like, it feels like it's easier to control. Back to normal mode. Oh, hey there. Boop.